Hi, my name is Gabriel. I found your website online when I googled Bakersfield Towing. I work for an SEO company that specializes in getting local businesses like yours ranked to the top of Google. So you can see here I googled Bakersfield Towing, which is like the main keyword that people would use when looking for a towing service. And I found you here on page 5 of Google. Now, getting from page 5 to page 1 will dramatically increase the amount of calls you receive, which in turn will receive the amount of customers you receive. It will, at minimum, double the amount of calls and customers you bring in, guaranteed. We see it all the time. And I just wanted to, give you a couple tips, things you can do to help get your ranking up a little bit. Things that we do, amongst many other things we do to get you to the top of the page. So, your website looks good. Once a customer finds your web page, that's all it takes for them to contact you and get some service out of you. But so what we do is I take your URL here and I plug it into this tool we have to find the metadata of your site. So I already got you plugged in here, Kern Towing, and it says here your title is home. Now, what the metadata does is this is how you communicate with Google about what it is your website does. So for title, for instance, it would need to be something about towing or Bakersfield towing, preferably. That way, Google understands that that's what people will find when they go to your site. So we could change that for you. That's real simple. Or you can do it yourself, or if you have a web developer. And that's also what you see here. See home? That's what you see right here. So that's you would want to change that. The heading tags says that you have no heading 1 or heading 2 tags. That's the same thing. This is the keywords you can use so that Google knows that if people ask for towing services, truck, things like that, whatever you do, that you want these to say that. That way Google understands that's what your site does, and that's how they decide to rank you. So those are two just very small things that you can do to increase your ranking. Also here it says your website is not secure. That's something you want to change too. That can deter people. And most people, honestly, statistics show that 90% of people will not go past the first page of Google when looking for something. And so getting to page 5, it becomes very difficult to find your service. So if you're looking to grow your business and, getting ranked number 1 on Google is the best way to do it. I mean, that's the power of Google. Everybody uses it nowadays. So if that's something you're interested in, reply to this email. Let me know if you have any questions about anything else. I'm happy to help you out. And yeah, thank you for your time.